Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you the online course I've taken during the December holidays, which is Introduction to Programming with MATLAB. MATLAB was created in the 1970s by Cleve Moller. The logo represents the first vibrational mode of a thin L-shaped membrane, clamped at the edges and governed by the wave equation, which was the subject of Moller's thesis. In 1984, Moller and Jack Little formed a company called MathWorks to make MATLAB available to the world. The software can be downloaded from the website www.mathworks.com. Students can get free license for 30 days. The reason that I chose this online course is that I wish to learn a programming language to help me solve numerical problems that I encounter in math, physics, and chemistry. And MATLAB, among various others such as C++, Java, Python, C#, is very easy to use and to learn. And at the same time, it's very powerful. It's used worldwide by professionals from scientists to engineers to economists. This course is designed for people with little to no programming experience like me, and it teaches the basics of programming using MATLAB. This online course is provided by Coursera, which is an American massive open online course (MOOC) provider, and the lessons were conducted by professors from Vanderbilt University. Here is what I've learned. I've learned how to start up MATLAB, how to run commands in the command window directly, how to save a bunch of commands into a so-called script and run it, how to save the data and plot the results, etc. Next, I've learned how to create a matrix and perform all kinds of operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, inverse, determinant, transpose, and even eigenvalue. Then I've learned how to write my own functions just like the built-in functions MATLAB has. Then I have learned how to make the program run differently based on different conditions, that is, if loop, and how to make a block of codes repeat a number of times, which is for loop and while loop. Lastly, I've learned two slightly more advanced topics in MATLAB. One is about data types. I've learned the different data types such as integer, floating point data, characters, strings, and I've learned how to store different types of data into something called cell array and structure. The other advanced topic talks about how to read data from a file and write data to a file in MATLAB. This is really cool because you can easily read from or write to files such as Word documents or Excel spreadsheets. I will just use an example to show you how fun it is to learn MATLAB programming. This example will plot the distribution of eigenvalues from a sample of 20,000 random speculant matrices of size 18 by 18 in the complex plane. The matrix elements are uniformly sampled from the set negative half to half. I'll first create an array E of size 18 by 20,000 to store eigenvalues. Next, I will iterate the following operations 20,000 times in a for loop statement. First, create a 1 by 18 row vector X with the elements of either negative half or half. Next, use the vector X as an input to create a random circulant matrix A. Then find the eigenvalues of A and store them in E. Now I'm going to create a scatter plot to display the eigenvalues E in the complex plane. I set the X and Y axis limits to range from negative 3 to 3. It is. Isn't it amazing? I've come to the end of my presentation. Hope you enjoyed it.